Hey guys, what's up? It's Oak with another video. Today we're going to be installing these on my 2003 BMW M3. These are Angel Eyes. I just wanted to install these to make the car look nice. I'm also going to be using some of this Plasti Dip and blacking out all the chrome components on the lights. This will bring an aggressive look to the car that I think that would look great. And also, this video is going to be just a time lapse. It's not going to be a how-to or anything, but I'm just going to press record on the camera and see where we get from there. I'll give you some progress updates from time to time, but alright, so if you guys take a look and see, I got the lenses and the the rest of the plastic bits off the inside out, and I'm going to begin painting it, and then once I'm done painting it, I'll put the Angel Eyes in. It's gonna look great, so stay tuned. Alright guys, check it out. I got my headlights masked off and it is now officially ready for painting. As you can see, I tried my best to get as close to the surfaces that I want to paint as possible, so that way I can avoid overspray. I do not want to spray onto the silver of the car. I don't want to spray onto the already existing paint. Even though I'm using Plasti Dip, I don't want to have to deal with that. So hopefully I won't have any overspray and I can get this done nice and neatly. All right, be right back. Check this out. I got first coat on and it's looking pretty good so far. I'm only gonna do 2 coats. I think that's the only amount that's gonna be necessary. So it says wait 30 minutes to dry. Alright everyone, it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to continue working on painting and I'll be back whenever it's done. So see you in a minute. Alright guys, so now the paint's dry. I'm going to go ahead and wire up the angel eyes. It's going to take me a little bit, so hold on to your seats and I'll be back. Guys, check it out. I got the lights on. Boom. Here we go. Oh, look at that. And now, isn't that nice? There's the other side. This camera doesn't do it justice, but damn, does that look freaking good. Alright guys, so after some long and arduous work, I think I'm done. Well, with the electrical part. I just need to button up and then we'll all be done, but check it out. So, I got my key here. When I press the unlock button, the lights fade in. When I press the lock button, alright guys, check it out. It is now done. As you can see, the LEDs, just the rings give off, they don't give off, but they sort of kind of highlight that they're there, even when the car is off. But you can see it's kind of like a black void in there. It's not really, it's not really visible. The only thing you can see is the angel eyes. Except that is, when I hit the key, like I said before, they will light up and illuminate very nicely. And these lights will be on anytime the car is on, or anytime I'm in it. Even when it's not running, it'll be on. Anytime the interior light's on, it'll be on. And there it goes. It just went off whenever the interior light turns off. It falls below the certain voltage threshold. So let's give her an old start up. See how it goes.